Hey guys, super short video today because I gotta go surfing. But uh, after last week, if you invested like I did, we just made a shitload of money. So it's time to take some profits. Beginning of the year, pretty much first half, I relied on the VIX to hedge. But taking profits is the best hedge I figured out. And it's funny because last year, as bad of a year as it was, I think the S&P 500 was down 24%. I was positive for the year mainly because I took profits, and actually because I took profits along the way. Bought the dips, took profits on the rips, and anyway, I'm back to that. And so last year was insane. Like I said, if you trade like I did, you made a ton of money. Time to take some profit. So I did that a little bit. I'm going to do it on the way up. I did that a little bit on Friday. I'll do it again on Monday. And that's what this video is basically about. Disclosures really fast, and let's get to it. So remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Investing involves risk. Only invest the amount of money you can afford to lose, and you invest at your own risk. The value of investments and the income derived from them can go down as well as up. Future returns are not guaranteed, and loss of principal may occur. The information contained here is not intended to be used as a sole basis of investment decision. Is not a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. So last week, here's some printouts that I did for last week. Up 18.31% for the week. You can see up on top, and the percentage and also the dates from Monday through Friday last week. As far as the amount, obviously that depends on how much you have invested. I don't have a big portfolio, but here's the amount: 61,331.78. That's the amount that I made last week, and like I said, this video is mainly about taking profits. A week like that, almost 20%, over 61,000. Time to take profits. And actually, in the pre-market, I watched that labor. I woke up way early for that labor report, and because if it was going to be super bad, like in minus 200,000 jobs, I knew the market was going to tank. But it was like perfect, just under estimates. And then we took off from there. So anyway, I sold it just in case it was going to dip. Sometimes the market will sell on good news, especially after a week last week. And so I sold in the pre-market 500 shares of SPXL. Here's the trade right here. There you go. And like I said, I keep taking profits as we go up. The major mistake I made first half of the year, relied on that VIX to hedge me, and it did not work out very well. Towards the end, I made some of my money back, but it definitely did not work like I expected. And so now I'm back to just taking profits like I did last year. Worked out really well last year. Like I said, you can go back videos. I was up, I want to say 5%, but I'm not sure. But definitely in the green last year, as bad of a year as it was. And that's what I did. I bought the dips, sold the rips, and it worked out really well. It works out in the bull market. It works out in a bear market. And so that's the video, guys, and that's the plan. I mentioned the last video that I was going to take some profits because I need some. I was really low on cash after kept buying on the way down. I did not expect it to go down 10%, but it did. Now I think we'll probably have more upside. Not right away, maybe not Monday, Tuesday, but I think we have more upside. But in any case, I am on the way up. I am taking profits, especially after a week like we had last week. I mean, 18% in a week. It's, most people will be lucky to get that in a whole year. And time to take profits, and then take from there. I think we're in a good place. There's a soft landing, looks very likely. I think, a lot of bears out there, still a ton of bears. So happy investing, guys, and see you next week.